The National Identity Management Commission (NIMC) handles all national ID data in Nigeria. In January 2021, the Commission launched its mobile ID app, which can be used as a means of identification on smartphones and mobile devices. The NIN stands for National Identification Number. You get one for your lifetime ID once you register with NIMC and your ID details are captured onto their national database. So we go to their website first, nimc.gov.ng. Go to our services, then mobile digital ID. And here we are. Useful information about the mobile ID app before you download it. What you require. An email for inquiries and support for the mobile ID app. Quick tips. Okay, use the button to get to the mobile ID app. We get to the app site and download for Android from Google Play Store. Some details on the Play Store page here. I've already installed the app. Right, this is what the app looks like once installed and unlocked. Several features here. Buttons. Now here's a common error I've seen people complain about on the Play Store rating section. No internet connection. Network request failed. Aha, remember the NIMC page with the useful info on the mobile ID app? Well, we go back there. When we read through that page, we get some ideas on resolving this issue. Make sure we are connected to the internet. If that doesn't work, we go to the settings and wipe mobile ID data, or uninstall and reinstall the app. Or just use the email address and ask for help. So let's turn on the internet connection and try again. Now we see the section for linking my NIN to my phone SIMs is connecting to NIMC and working. Virtual NIN. I don't know what feature this is. Here's the virtual ID card. Just tap to flip it around. There's a QR code at the bottom for scanning and verification. You can't print this out to protect the QR code and your privacy. I don't have any activity on my records yet. We'll get to that later. A look at the settings options. Statistics. My verification credit points. I don't have any dependents here. Okay, so how do we verify the ID on someone else's mobile device to know it isn't fake? Simple. We scan the QR code underneath the person's virtual ID card. Our app connects to NIMC and verifies the person's details, displaying only the face photo and names. Now we have some basic info in our records of our verification activity, which we just carried out. We can also use the app to generate a PIN. The PIN allows us to log into the NIMC portal where we can print out our NIN slip. This is the NIN slip with a person's NIN details on it and the QR code, which can also be scanned for verification using the app. Again, scan the QR code to verify the ID, but do not photocopy or reproduce Photocopying or reproducing leaves a copy of your QR code with someone else. That's not safe. Take good care of yours.